Mastering the phrase, take the measure of. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take the measure of. This expression is a gem in the English language, used to describe a process of assessment or judgment. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your English fluency. So, let's explore together what it means to take the measure of someone or something. At its core, take the measure of is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of assessing or evaluating the qualities, capabilities, or nature of someone or something. It's about forming a judgment or getting a comprehensive understanding of what someone or something is truly like. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time, and you want to understand their character, or you're encountering a new situation and need to gauge its complexity. In these cases, you're essentially trying to take the measure of the person or situation. While the exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, it's believed to stem from tailoring, where a tailor takes a person's measurements to make a perfect fit. Similarly, when you take the measure of something, you're trying to understand its dimensions, not physically, but metaphorically. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal assessment. Before trusting the new accountant with the company's finances, the CEO wanted to take the measure of his integrity. Competition. The chess champion took the measure of her opponent's strategy early in the game. Challenges. They took the measure of the new project's challenges before committing any resources. To fully grasp how to use take the measure of in everyday communication, let's look at a few examples. The manager took the measure of the problem and decided it was time to act decisively. In the first week of classes, students often take the measure of their teachers to understand their expectations. Before making any investment, it's crucial to take the measure of the market's volatility. Be observant. Pay attention to details when assessing someone or something. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask relevant questions to gain deeper insights. Reflect. After gathering information, take a moment to reflect and form your judgment. Understanding and using expressions like take the measure of can significantly enrich your English communication skills. It's not just about the words but the cultural and contextual layers beneath them. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and confidently use it in your conversations. Remember, every step you take in learning enriches your journey in mastering the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.